Hi, I'm S.J. Kincaid, and I'm here to tell you 5 reasons to be riveted by the Nemesis. I bumped my chin. But the chin bumping isn't a reason to be riveted. I'm gonna get into those. The Diabolic is set in a galactic empire. Da da da. Da da. I like space. Space is very cool. So that is reason number 1 to read this book. And reason number 2 is because it's a story of lovers turned to enemies, which is awesome. It was fun to write. It's going to be fun to read. Or heart-wrenching. I don't know. This could have been the cover. Instead, this is the cover. And think of how beautiful it will look on your shelf. You can be choosy about which shelf. Or don't be choosy. It'll look good either way. Because all 3 of these books were written on this AlphaSmart. Yeah, low-tech devices. Woohoo! You go, AlphaSmart. Yeah. Ah. Did you read Insignia? These are set in the same universe thousands of years apart. Even this dog likes this book. Yes, he does. If you like this book, take this bone. Take this bone if you like the book. Oh, he took the bone. That means he thinks that the Nemesis is a great book. Even someone who is definitely not me agrees. Read this book. It's good. So to recap, space, lovers to enemies, written on AlphaSmart, looks good on a shelf because that's an awesome cover, dog likes book, and random bearded person who's not me in any sense also said that. So I gave you 6 reasons. 6 reasons to pick up the Nemesis. Enjoy.